Have you ever wondered if the owner of a Wi Fi network can actually see what you're browsing online? The short answer is yes, but not in the way most people think. Because a Wi Fi owner or network admin can see the domains you visit, like youtube.com, google.com, and the time and amount of data used. But thanks to HTTPS encryption, because they usually can't see the exact pages you open, what you search, or what you type into websites, unless the network is using special monitoring tools, enterprise level firewalls, or you've installed a security certificate on your device. And this is common on school or work networks, not home Wi Fi. And it's almost why using incognito mode doesn't hide activity from the Wi Fi owner, since it only hides history on your own device, not the network itself. So if you want more privacy on public Wi-Fi, using a trusted VPN encrypts your traffic. So the Wi-Fi owner can only see that you've connected to a VPN and not the site you're visiting, which is the safest way to protect your browsing on shared networks. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.